Have you ever ignored pain thinking that it would just go away? What if I told you that ignoring pain can actually make things worse? In this video, I will explain why ignoring pain is a bad idea and what happens if you do. So let's get into it. Hey friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we are going to talk about something that all of us have experienced at some point in our lives, which is pain. Yes, that annoying back pain that you have after sitting for a prolonged period of time, or after sleeping for a prolonged period of time, or that sharp twinge that you get in your knee when you're trying to do a squat. Now, here's the thing that we usually do as humans. We tend to ignore the pain, thinking that it will just go away like some kind of magic, like abracadabra. But in some cases, the pain does not go away and it will lead to bigger problems later on in life. So in today's video, we are going to talk about what that pain actually does to us, what happens to us if we ignore the pain, and how a physiotherapist like me can actually help. What is pain? Pain is an unpleasant emotional and sensory experience. There is no way that two people can actually have the same pain. People tend to describe pain in different ways. Some people might say that their pain is dull. Some people might say it's aching. Others might say it's throbbing. It all depends with how that person will be feeling at that particular time.
Let's be honest, ignoring pain feels way easier, right? I mean, who wants to stop watching their favorite show because their neck hurts, or miss out on dancing at a wedding because their knees feel stiff? Nobody. But think about this. Pain isn't just your body being dramatic, it's your body's way of telling you something's wrong. Imagine your car's dashboard lighting up with warnings. Would you ignore those? Probably not, unless you want to end up stranded on the side of the road. Well, guess what? Your body works the same way. No, you won't get stranded on a highway, but you might end up stuck on the couch, unable to move one day. Don't ignore the warnings. Listen to your body and take action. You'll thank yourself later.
What happens when you ignore pain? First of all, there are two types of pain: acute pain and chronic pain. Acute pain is the pain that you get after twisting your ankle or pulling a muscle when you're working out. On the other hand, chronic pain develops over time. So ignoring acute pain can turn it into chronic pain, which is much harder to treat most of the times. Imagine ignoring acute pain and it later turns on to chronic pain. Pain gets worse over time and it's not funny at all, because at that time it will start affecting your activities of daily living.
You know, growing up complaining about back pain, as a kid, was a very risky move. If you told your parents that, mommy, I'm experiencing back pain and all that, your parents would look at you like, back pain? At your age? What adult activities are you doing? So it was very risky. You get scolded for that.
Like you said, complaining about back pain was a very risky move when we were growing up. So most of us just kept on suffering in silence. Even if the back pain was severe, you were forced to keep quiet because you knew the outcome would be not good. So lower back pain is real, guys. We should not ignore it, especially in children, because children will be trying to tell us what's wrong. And if we ignore them at that time, that back pain will later cause on bigger problems that will require surgery and all complicated things. So when your child complains about back pain, please take them into consideration. Don't just run into conclusion that there is something that they are doing, or you ask them whether they are having any responsibilities. That will not be nice. Please take time to listen to children when they are complaining about back pain. Even for yourself, if you are having back pain, don't take it very lightly.
Compensation issues. When we ignore pain, our body finds ways to compensate. Let's say you have knee pain. Instead of fixing the issue, you start walking differently to avoid pain on the knee. And over time, this affects your hip, then lower back, and suddenly you have multiple problems, all because you ignored one.
Have you ever gone to a doctor or therapist desperately seeking relief from
chronic pain only to walk away feeling frustrated and disappointed. You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to find effective pain relief, and it's often because they aren't receiving the personalized care they need. One-size-fits-all approaches might seem convenient, but they rarely get to the root of the problem. Pain can be incredibly complex. It's not just about fixing a physical issue. It's about understanding the emotional, psychological, and social factors that contribute to it. And that's why physiotherapists take a holistic approach. They look at everything from your medical history to your daily habits and lifestyle. By doing this, they can identify patterns and connections that might otherwise go unnoticed. Many people focus on treating symptoms with quick fixes or over-the-counter medications, but these solutions rarely offer long-term relief because they don't address the underlying causes. Physiotherapists, however, take the time to dig deeper. They evaluate everything from posture and movement patterns to past injuries and medical conditions. Physiotherapists also consider individual lifestyle factors such as diet, exercise habits, and daily routines. By taking all these variables into account, they can craft a comprehensive plan that meets your unique needs. A key aspect of this personalized approach is empowering you to take control of your own pain management. This might involve learning exercises, stretches, or techniques you can do at home. It's about setting realistic goals, providing ongoing support, and making adjustments as needed. The aim is to help you build confidence and agency in managing your pain. One important concept physiotherapists use is pacing. Pacing involves setting realistic goals and gradually increasing activity levels to avoid worsening the pain. This approach helps you build confidence, endurance, and strength. In conclusion, personalized treatment plans are crucial for effective pain relief. By working with a skilled physiotherapist to design a plan tailored to your unique circumstances, you can achieve long-term relief and take control of your pain. Remember, pain relief isn't one size fits all. It's about finding what works best for you.